Y'all already know the vibe. Maybe we'll be testing out the Cr80. You know what I'm saying? The old one. Y'all let me know. Do y'all feel like, in the comments, do y'all feel like the bike still making a noise, or y'all feel like the bike is good? Or y'all let me know. Y'all feel like he need a rebuild because it's making a noise. But y'all already know the vibes. Let's get the party started. Oh yeah, he don't got no back brakes on here either. He got no back brakes. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I might need to turn the idle up a little bit, y'all. Let me turn the idle up a little bit. Yeah, it's a little too low, y'all. Turn that screw with my hand. That should be pretty good. Yeah, we're gonna leave it like that for now, y'all. His back brakes do not work. No back brakes, y'all. Y'all let me know. I don't hear no noise. Only if his back brakes work good. Got a little bit of brakes, but not all the way sharp, y'all. I really wish he had back brakes on here though, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm not gonna lie, the idle might be a little too low, y'all. The idle still might be a little too low. Nah, I'm not gonna lie, the idle pretty good. It ain't too bad. Y'all let me know what y'all think though. Do y'all still feel like it's making a noise, or y'all feel like she riding pretty good? I feel like she sound pretty good if you ask me. I'm not gonna lie. She definitely sound pretty good. Yeah, I don't too much hear noise, y'all. Yeah, I don't too much hear noise, man. But y'all let me know what y'all think, man, in the comments. Man, definitely got some thump to it. Definitely got some thump to it. Yeah, she idling real nice though, y'all. Real nice. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think of it in the comments. Do y'all feel like y'all still hear that shaking noise, or you know, that rough noise? Everything tight, the motor, everything tight, y'all. So y'all let me know. Chain looking good, everything looking good. Now he looking like he pack ready, y'all. Pack ready. Pack ready now. Yeah, we gonna see if he wanna order some back brakes, y'all. He just want his bike back how it is. He had those back brakes, oh my god. Man, like, this 80 running good, boy. This 80 running good. Much it though, man. You gotta watch out, bro, for these drivers, bro. They'll take you out the game. I'm doing pretty good without no damn back bridge. Yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think, y'all. Let me know how y'all think she ran, man. I might need to try to turn the idle up a little bit. Let me go get my flathead real quick. I'm gonna turn the idle up a little bit, y'all. I think it might be a little too low. It might be perfect. Let me just get my flathead real quick and we're gonna see. All right, y'all, so I got my flathead. I'm just gonna adjust the idle a little bit just to make sure. Perfect. Nah, that's too high right there. Yeah, that's definitely too high. That might be good right there, y'all. That might be pretty good right there, y'all. Now let me go a little more higher. Yeah, that's good right there, I think. That's definitely it. Cause I don't want it too high, you know what I'm saying? I don't like, y'all, I don't like when the idle be too high, man, on bikes, y'all. They gotta make sure it's nice and perfect. Try it like that. Yeah, now that's it right there. Yeah, that's definitely it. A nice soft idle, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think, man. I don't hear, it don't seem like I hear a shaking motor though. Y'all leave a comment, let me know. But yeah, y'all, other than that, y'all already know the vibe, man. Leave a comment, let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. But we, you know, any bikes that need to be fixed, you know what I'm saying? Any limits, y'all get at me, man. Get it in Gear Cycles on Instagram. The TheVeeTouch, man, South Florida vibe, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, we're gonna go from there.